Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of Asset Operations Management, or AOM, in manufacturing. We'll discuss the challenges the manufacturing industry faces and how AOM can be a game changer. You will learn how this mobile-first framework can optimize your maintenance strategies, improve asset performance, and lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency and empowerment. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this is a must-watch. Now let's get started. The manufacturing industry, a key player in modern society, is constantly striving to meet the near-endless demand for products. It's a competitive field, where businesses see the revenue opportunity in meeting consumer wants and needs. For years, businesses of all sizes have managed to survive, and sometimes even thrive, using less than perfect processes, technologies, and systems. But with global competition, skilled labor shortages, and ongoing disruptions to the supply chain, manufacturers are being pushed to their limits. The status quo is no longer enough. The organizations that will grow and succeed in the future are the ones willing to embrace significant change, harnessing the power of data and digital technologies to fuel actionable, value-based decisions at every level of the organization. This is where AOM comes in. It's a mobile-first framework that pulls together data from across teams and devices into a single solution. Its deliverable is real-time data that reflects the day-to-day maintenance lifecycle, asset utilization, and performance measurement. This data serves as the foundation to support informed decisions from technician to executive. AOM optimizes a manufacturer's maintenance strategies, improves asset performance, and increases availability and reliability in unprecedented ways. The result? A never-before-seen level of efficiency, transparency, and empowerment of a manufacturing team, propelling those organizations who embrace AOM to new levels in an ever-evolving industry. Now let's dive into what manufacturing is all about. At its core, manufacturing is about creating new products either directly from raw materials or by using multiple parts or sub-assemblies. Production can be completed on both a small or large scale, and the manufacturing process itself can be set up in different ways, depending on the items made, the quantities needed, and the complexity of the products. From repetitive manufacturing for high-quantity, homogeneous items to custom manufacturing for unique items ordered by a specific customer. The manufacturing world is diverse and multifaceted. But, like any industry, manufacturing faces challenges. The effects of the 2020 to 2021 global pandemic have been long-lasting and persistent within the manufacturing industry. Producers from around the world are entering the market, seeking ways to create better, less expensive items to capture market share. At the same time, demand for products, the ways they are delivered, and the speed and availability expected continues to rise. Let's break down these challenges. First, we have increased global manufacturing competitiveness. According to Safeguard Global, more than 28% of global manufacturing output is coming from China, with the United States producing nearly 17%. Competition from Japan, India, South Korea, and European countries is growing as well. Next, we have the challenge of growing with increasing demand. Digital technologies have driven customer expectations to new heights. Today, the modern customer is used to being able to order just about anything online and have it delivered within shorter and shorter time spans. This has shifted shopping behavior from brick-and-mortar stores to online e-commerce sites and put additional pressure on manufacturers to meet this demand in extraordinary ways. Another challenge is inventory and supply chain management. The issues experienced during the global pandemic have persisted post-pandemic, leaving many manufacturers shutting down production lines and failing to meet order deadlines due to ongoing inventory problems and supply chain delays. Lastly, there's the challenge of upskilling existing, lower-skilled employees. The combination of a skilled labor shortage with the rapid development of technology within manufacturing is reaching dangerous levels. According to the Robot Report, the skills shortage may put $454 billion of manufacturing GDP at risk by 2028. But there's a solution to these challenges: Asset Operations Management. AOM serves as an overall framework for manufacturers, pulling together maintenance, operations, and reliability that rallies around critical assets. It generates a wealth of benefits for the organization, its employees, and most importantly, its bottom line. These benefits include furthering the digital transformation of preventive maintenance, clearing the way to revenue-generating, highest-value work, expanding operations capacity without increasing their headcount, and reducing financial losses from downtime and uninformed decisions. In terms of key performance indicators, or KPIs, for manufacturing maintenance and reliability teams, about half of all maintenance teams note that their top KPI is completed planned maintenance. Although this is a good place to start, it's important to remember that completed planned maintenance does not always easily translate to reaching overarching business goals. In conclusion, the manufacturing industry will continue to face difficult challenges in supply chain management, upskilling employees, and growing consumer demand. The focus now must be on how to efficiently face those challenges to not only survive, but thrive in the future market. Embracing a solution such as AOM can help create an end-to-end, transparent system that fosters employee empowerment and decision-making with a single, accurate data repository designed to fuel actionable, critical business decisions on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. We've covered the challenges faced by the manufacturing industry and how Asset Operations Management, or AOM, can be a game changer. Remember, AOM is a mobile-first framework that optimizes your maintenance strategies, improves asset performance, and leads to unprecedented levels of efficiency and empowerment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in the next video.